Hey friends, welcome back to another Cotton Cuts sewing video. This is Tree of Life in green meadow, size large. This took me about an hour. There's a lot of pressing of these half square triangle, or no, flying geese, sorry, not half square triangles. There's 8. So just think about there's 8 of these, 8 of these, 8 of these. So you're pressing these like 16 times a piece and then sewing them together. So it took me a while just because there's so much pressing involved, so much ironing. But gosh, I really love this colorway. I love these fabrics with the like flecks of gold in them. It's really beautiful. I hope you have fun sewing with this fabric if this is the colorway you're doing. Take your time, be patient, manage your seams, and it'll all be fine. And I will see you in the inventory section.
All right, so let's go ahead and get into this inventory. This is, again, the large clue. This is clue 2 for Tree of Life, and I'm using the Green Meadow colorway, which I'm in love with. So let's go ahead and go through all the fabrics that we have in this clue. If you didn't get your clue in the whole kit, it would have come with your instructions and all of the fabrics you see here. If you paid for your kit up front, it's just a little baggie that says clue 2, and your instructions should have been emailed to you. Make sure you check your junk folder in case you don't have Cotton Cuts as a regular emailer of yours. Okay, so in the small triangles, we have 16 of fabric A, 16 of fabric B, and 16 of fabric D. In the larger triangles, we have 16 fabric D and 8 fabric E. Love this fabric. Anyways, then we have 8, all 3 are squares. So we have 8 fabric A, 8 fabric B, 8 fabric D. We are making one style of block for this clue, but there are going to be 8 blocks in total. So what I'm going to do is I'll get set up on the sewing machine and we'll do some speed sewing. And yeah, and then that'll be the end of the video once we get through the speed sewing. So, I'll meet you here in a few seconds.
All right, so here we go. We're going to start sewing. I was a little confused when I looked at these directions initially. We are only making one style of block for this month. It just said section 2 on page 2, and I thought, oh my gosh, I missed something. But I went and looked at the PDF. It is correct. So if that confused you, don't worry, it confused me too. So we're going to go ahead and get to sewing. There are going to be a total of 8 blocks for clue 2. All right, friends, we're done sewing. Make sure you take a picture with your flat Nancy. She is blue for Tree of Life. Carnival is orange. And you can post it to the Cotton Cuts website and to the Facebook page if you want, but the Cotton Cuts website is where you're going to get entered to win something at the end. I always forget what it is. I am so far behind. I have not posted mine at all for Tree of Life, I don't think. So do it or don't. It's up to you. It's something fun. But I love this colorway again. And thanks for watching. I hope you have a good day. Bye.